Hey everyone, today I have a Tamed Wild unboxing. My husband was nice enough to open up everything since that I have to do this one-handed. I do not have a tripod. However, I didn't see what was in this as of yet. This will be an experience for both of us. So, opening it up one-handed. Right on top, there is the ritual tools and instructions, a little mushroom sticker, which is really cute, evidence that my husband has helped me, which I thank him very much for. This is the tea or herb that we get each month. It looks like this month is a herbal tea in the harvest season. That's what it looks like. Sorry for the noise. My daughter is making some beautiful music in the room. And there's a hubby. Alrighty, so he untied the bags for me, so it should be a little bit easier to open them. Yes, I got it open. It looks like we got a couple. Hi. Looks like we got a couple tiger's eyes and maybe a piece of hematite. That's really cool. This looks like a piece of jewelry for like a pendant for a necklace, though to me it also kind of looks like a pendulum. And there's a little tiger's eye bead, there we go, in the cage itself. This seems like some useful information. Ah, there we go, it finally focused. Magical crystal booklet. Seems like it has a lot of good information in it. A wand of some sort. Very nice piece as well. Then it looks like there is a new altar cloth. And that's what that looks like. And then we go back to the card. Here are the ritual tools, which I will read. A magical crystal booklet. Actually, it's easier to read through here. Crystal grid cloth, which I'm guessing this is the cloth, so it might not be an altar cloth. Yeah, little one? Yes, so that's really cool. A labradorite tower. So this is a labradorite tower. Ritual stones, which they're referring to the cat's eye. Cat's eye is for protection. Tiger's eye amulet, so this is a necklace. And then the lavender, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. The harvest season's tea. I'm sorry guys, I'm a mama. Sometimes there will be a little one in the videos making a bunch of noises. I try to get this done before she woke up from her nap. However, that didn't plan out, so I'm just going with the flow. And then I think the sticker is just a sticker because I personally do not see anything on the card about it. So with that being said, here is the final look of everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and they will get better. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? You guys have a great day. Bye.